Hi again from the Urban Mali Nursery. If you're thinking of starting an indoor garden, choose plants that are easy to grow and are hardy and also keep you motivated in your journey of gardening. I have with me 3 plants with which you can get your journey started. The first plant is the money plant. No, it doesn't actually have money growing out of it, but it symbolizes growth and prosperity just by the sheer habit of how easily it grows and multiplies. Money plant can be grown in soil or it can even be grown in water, and it adds that extra zing, to your bedroom or your office space. The second plant is the snake plant or the mother-in-law's tongue. It has these lovely erect, leaves with these patterns on the leaves. You get them in different patterns, and it would be best to grow them in a vertical container so it has this vertical sort of beauty to any corner of your living space. The third plant is the spider plant. The spider plant multiplies extremely easily. From one plant you can have 3 plants. You can grow it in any container, or you can grow it in a ceramic pot and put it on your study table, or you could even grow it in a hanging pot, and it adds this lovely density of green, and makes your indoor space so luxuriant. All these 3 plants are very easy to grow. You can water them anywhere between 3 to 5 days. It needs a well-drained soil, and best to not have any stagnation around the roots. If you would like to have more information like this, follow us. We are at the Urban Mali Network. Happy gardening!